Okay, guys, it is the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend meal card trading indicator. It is a custom-made indicator that helps us to analyze better. Okay, so if you're having, can you follow up with this analysis? Now, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. I think it's been like 3 days that we've been on this particular trade, trading on downtrend. Okay, right now it has got into this particular support region at the moment. Out from there, you can see it ranging around here. Okay, so of course, if it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then we are most likely to see it moving back into an uptrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so I will advise us to wait for the breakout. This is at the support zone already. If it should break out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, if it should break out above this, then definitely it's going to buy right from there. Okay, so let's wait for the breakout, guys. Let's wait for the breakout to know the direction, because this had been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, so it's trying to see if it will break out from this support zone. If it does, I mean, if it happens, then definitely it's going to sell more so it get to the next support zone. Now let's move on to GainX 999. This is GainX 999. Okay, this also had been on downtrend right from here, and it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out below it, so it tried to go back on uptrend but didn't go too far. Okay, just the way we have seen it right here, it is yet to break out above these also. Okay, so right now this will be selling more to see if it will break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend to switch into an uptrend, but go fully into an uptrend if it breaks out above these. Okay, so this is selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Now let's check out PainX 1200. This is PainX 1200. Started a downtrend somewhere here, and of course, gave us all these profits. And right now, it's switching into an uptrend. So we should experience more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so you can um, um, play along with the trend and make sure you know something reasonable from there. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999, also on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this actually went on uptrend and it's got to this region. It has not been able to break out from there, so it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it is selling right now. So we expect more selling opportunity right from here. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So this is FX volume 80, and of course these had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance and tried to go on downtrend but didn't go more than this, went back on uptrend, came back down again, still went back on uptrend. So far so good. It has not been able to break out above the resistance zone, even though it is still buying at the moment. If it should break out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it's going to sell, and it will be targeting this particular spot. And of course, if it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.